Okay. So I forgot to show the charge port problem. Because of that curve I demonstrated in the last video, what happens is it won't go in. That's not in. It hits because this curves. Here you can see it right there. You can see the lip here, and then the lip gets smaller and disappears right there. And the charger, and listen, no amount of pushing on the phone or inserting this end in first so that you make sure it gets down in there, that doesn't work. When the phone is installed in the case, you get the problem. That's it.